morning. My name is Foluke Akimbi. I'm Sales and Marketing Director of Drone Niger, a Nigerian company, and we are proudly Nigerians. It is such that after having lived in Europe for so long, you're more or less confronted always with new technology. And the minute we heard about this breaking edge technology for farming, we thought that's what we need. As a child, I grew up in Nigeria, and on all the notes, and I have them till today, we always had something depicting agriculture. Be it cocoa, be it the pyramids of groundnut, be it rubber, be it whatever you wanted, palm oil, it was on our notes. Nigeria's begin was with agriculture. Nigerians wake up. Agriculture. You'll always need to feed people. And Nigeria can be the breadbasket of Africa and the world. If you look at the size of Nigeria and you look at the population, we're blessed with everything we need. But we always look for quick money, and there's nothing like quick money in life. Okay, for agriculture in Nigeria, we have realized that the minute agriculture died, oil came in. Oil spoilt our agricultural land. And I say that and I really and truly am so annoyed at that fact. Okay, fine, you've taken our arable land from us, but we still have a lot of arable land that can produce agricultural products. But what you have today, nobody wants to work on the farm. Why don't they want to work on the farm? It's too hard. It's hard work. Or it's not cool to be a farmer. And that is why we thought, well, no, we've got to change this mindset. Yes, it's very technological, but we have enough young people that are working and interested in technology, but we have let them down. Our government has let them down by not encouraging them to embrace a technology that could feed not only their country, but Africa and the world. Of that, I am convinced. So when I say, okay, let's go into the drone technology, the first thought that came into our mind was agriculture. It's hard labor to work on a farm. I don't deny that. But by the same token, you've got to see what the added value you get from farming. For example, you see this big drone here, and it's artificial intelligence, it's IT, and it can do a lot. You can really and truly, you can spray pesticides, herbicides, fertilizers. You can also spray seeds. You can even go further to feed fish with fish feed. So it is really and truly a multi-talent, and it's a shame that Nigeria cannot embrace this technology. We have been at it now for the past 6 years, taking away COVID. But we find it's always, farmers come to us, but as nice as farmers are, they are of another generation. They cannot comprehend, understand what is behind this monster. So we always tell them, do you have a cousin, a child, an uncle, somebody that is technologically savvy? Everybody has a mobile today. That is the first step. So I believe that even the farmers can embrace this technology. So what we want to do is open up Nigeria to give them a frog leap forward. We have been lacking oil, money, leaving the farm, coming to Lagos, going to Abuja. It's not the way forward. It's not the way to wealth. And wealth is not always money. But I can assure you, as I stand here talking before you, you can make wealth out of a drone. A drone for agriculture, let's say for the want of a figure, costs 10,000 euros. People will say, where am I to get that money? It's not. We have so many farmers. Farmers should come together, embrace one another, form a cooperative. We have had people in Oyo, can you come? We need pesticide spraying. Fine, we go. 2 days later, somebody from Ogun, we need fertilizer spraying. You go. And all of this within a week. And we say to ourselves, they're not thinking economically. These areas are very near each other. We charge you the minute we leave the company, the minute we get to our company and start flying. And if we have to spend a night, which has happened 3 nights, you're paying. But if you are within the vicinity or the area of other farmers, talk to them. Okay, I'm having them come on Monday. Okay, they can come to me on Wednesday. Ah, that's good. How about Lagbaja? He also needs you. He can come on Friday. It is one company, operator and a drone. We are all within the same perimeter, let's say 100 miles away from each other, if that. So why not share this price of transportation? And also the more fertilizers or whatever it is you buy, the cheaper it's going to be for your pesticides.